one side of the bolster to the other. The whole purpose of that is you want to get that truck to tip so that he can get that outside wheel to drop down out of place and have enough clearance for that forklift to get up underneath that that sill step. The person on the other side's holding that wheel so that it doesn't roll. This track has a tendency to roll west to east, so he's over there with a shoeing bar holding that wheel in place so the forklift can get in there and get that wheel out of the way without people being in the line of fire. The other guy over there is operating the pump. I'm sorry? Right, because they have a keeper that's holding that other wheel in place so that when you lift it up, the wheels stay in place, and the wheel that you don't put the keeper in, you can pull out. The keeper is right there on the end of the truck. You can see just on the west side of that wheel here on this truck they took the wheel out of, there's a keeper that's actually wedged in that truck side to hold that wheel in place. After we set the cars back down, you'll see them pulling those keepers out. We put those keepers in just to hold those wheels in place because they don't have any keepers holding normally this train set in place. No, they're just, there's some customers and some cars that are designed with those keepers in place all the time. So we've made our own keepers for this purpose. And that's it. Anybody put a stopwatch on that to see how long that took?